Life isn't easy, it's full of challenges. You're going to get knocked down. That's just the way it is. Sometimes you put on a brave face for the world. But when you're alone, lying in bed, and no one's watching, fear creeps in. The uncertainty of the future can be paralyzing. But I want to ask you today, do you still have hope? At some point, everything will seem like it's falling apart. You'll feel like this is the end. You can either accept defeat or you can get to work. That's all it takes, just start. Solve one problem, then the next. It doesn't matter how hard life knocks you down. All that matters is that you get back up. You have to rise. Whatever you're going through, it's not permanent. It hasn't come to stay, it's come to pass. Sometimes, you need to step back, go within yourself, pray, meditate. Recharge your energy, and look at things from a fresh perspective. Don't act under the spell of emotions. Yes, we're emotional beings, but you need to discipline those emotions. If you don't control them, they will control you.
You don't have to force yourself to think negatively or beat yourself down. Your mind will do that on its own, it's automatic. But if you want to step into your greatness, you have to swim against the current. You have to harness your will and say, I'm in control here. This won't defeat me. This won't destroy me. I'm coming back. Everyone wants success, but not everyone gets it. The truth is, if you want it, you can have it. No one's holding a gun to your head, stopping you. It's about willpower, hard work, sacrifice, dedication, and commitment. The difference isn't in potential, it's in perseverance. It's in the willingness to get knocked down and rise again. The road ahead will be tough, full of obstacles. You'll face discomfort, resistance, and people trying to break you. But you already know that, so decide now that you'll be victorious. Don't cry to give up, cry to keep going. You're already in pain. You're already hurting. Get something out of it. At the end of pain is success. You're not going to die from a little discomfort. When that wave of depression comes out of nowhere, tell yourself, I won't give up. There's no guarantee that just because you're down now, you'll stay down forever. Who says you can't make it? Who says you can't achieve your dreams? No one can guarantee that, and no one can predict your potential. If you're willing to fight through the challenges, to go through all the battles to reach your goals, who has the right to stop you? It's your right to follow your gut, to fight for what you've earned, and to live the life you dream of. As you chase your destiny, it doesn't matter if you're sick or struggling. If you're not dead, you're still in the game. As long as you're breathing, you still have a chance. You still have time to make things happen. So get up, push forward, and fight for your life. You're still in the game, so keep going.